how to disconnect your iPhone to your MacBook computer. So if all of your messages, photos and calls are syncing between your iPhone and your MacBook, I'm going to show you how to disconnect them from your MacBook computer. Now the first thing you need to do is click on the Apple logo in the top left hand side and press System Settings. Now click on your profile name at the top of this page and then scroll down and click on iCloud. Now click on See All, and here you'll find all of the different things that are being synced between your iPhone and your MacBook. Now if you want to go and disable any of these things on your Mac, you'll need to go in disable each of these individually. So for example, I can disconnect my photos by clicking on it like so, and where it says sync this Mac, make sure this is turned off. Now if you want to go in, remove these photos from your MacBook altogether, then just press delete from this Mac, and of course you'll still be able to access these photos on your iPhone. Now you need to do the same thing for all of these different options. So for example, we have messages in iCloud. If you want to disconnect your messages, make sure use on this iMac is turned off and disabled, and press disable all. Now the last thing you might want to go and disconnect is also FaceTime at the bottom of the page. Make sure this is also switched off. Now once you've done this, there's one last thing we're going to do. So go and open up the apps on your MacBook. You could then search for FaceTime and open up the app. Now click on FaceTime at the top of the page and press Settings. You'll see your Apple account. Go and click this Sign Out button and then just press Sign Out, and that will stop you from receiving calls on your MacBook. You'll also need to go and open up the Messages app as well. You could then click on Messages in the top left hand side and press Settings. Now click on iMessage and also go and sign out of your Apple account from here as well, and this will stop you from receiving messages on your MacBook computer. So that's how to disconnect your iPhone from your MacBook. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.